Hello everyone, welcome to our SharePoint site. We are here to provide you professional service with the best experience in the IT industry. Our consultants provide you the guidance regarding our project on SharePoint site. We have decided that our name of our SharePoint site is Maxpa Tech Solutions, which is belong to the Orange team. So it is surprise for everyone. Maxpar is a quite different name. So we decided our name by the first every member of the first letter of every member. So M from the Marcus, who is our project manager. Basically, his background from the graphic designer and game development. Then A from Anjali, she's also from the accounting background. And that's G from the Gaurav. I have science background. Then Shweta, then P from Pumali, she is a content creator here. Then A from Aman, he is also content creator. Then Rupinder and Raman both are the content creator here. So we have I think everyone knows the what is the SharePoint site. So basically, I will give you a brief information about the SharePoint site. It is a kind of document management platform where we can store, collaborate, and share our documents with the different departments of our company. So my whole team will explain you the key features of our SharePoint site and what is the purpose and mission and vision of our site. So mission and vision will be explained by the Anjali, member of our team.
Hello everyone. Here is our mission. So our mission is to provide you excellent services and transforming your business to bring efficiency and productivity by providing you valuable support and guidance to improve your business solutions. And our mission is to provide you optimum facilities for long term and building the long term relationships by providing the services that satisfy the customers. And then we have certain parts down here. So there are some of the documents that are added by our team. That's top 10 digital transformation technologies, 11 practices of digital transformation, emerging technologies, and much more. And then we have new section here, and there are a few sections added by our team members. And then we have calendar down there where we plan our tasks and events. Here are events that we are going right now. We are recording our presentation that is supposed to be on August 17th. That's today. And now I'll pass on to Shweta.
Thank you, Anjali. So here I'll be explaining about the tabs here. First tab we have here is the home page. So in the home page, we have all of our content. It is basically a welcome page for all of our clients. Here, then we have our documents tab. In this tab, we have different contents like all the documents, like whichever was needed to be saved to create the content of our site. We have our communication plan and all. So next tab is calendar tab, in which all the schedule is decided whenever we are scheduling what thing. So all of those things are decided in the calendar one. In the team task, when we go through the team task, we have three different types of tabs here, in which we can do our completed task, to do task, and our the third one is ongoing task. So we did that through this team task itself. Then we have our library tab, in which we have all the content that was done by the content creators of our team. When we come down to the home page, we have different, like if we need to edit something, we can simply go to edit. When we click on the edit, it will ask us to if we need to edit something, so we can just add something from here. We can see the plus sign here, and right now I'll be discarding the changes here. Now, when we need to create another tab, we can just click on the edit button here, and here, wherever we need to create another tab, we can just click on the plus sign and it will be created. So that is all about the home page. Now I'll pass on to the next person.
Is Aman.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. So I will be talking about the Documents tab. So documents on the SharePoint site, we have chosen documents because we have uploaded many documents and we needed to organize them and work on them because there are content creators. So in the Documents tab, we have various folders and files, so it's very easy to upload or create new folders and documents. It's just simply you have to go to new and then click on folder or file as per your wish, or you can upload the documents from your PC or cloud storage. And it's like the documents here is an interesting place where all the team members can come and collaborate on the documents. There are certain features like even we can have features like restricting the access, controlling who can do what, and this gives us a place for organization. For example, we hear the content has been organized by the names or the topics that were being done. But this is simply not a place where we keep documents. It's a place where we have a lot of capabilities as well. For example, we can do stuff like automation of notifications. For example, if you go to automate and create rules, we can set rules in which notifications or SMSs will be sent to the people authorized to receive one for when someone makes a column change or a value change or a file is added. M- even even a higher level of automation is present here when we go to alert me feature, in which not just a column change or a value change. If you can, like, if there is any kind of change in any document, it can send SMSs, emails, whatever you say. And then another interesting feature is for to control the activities of the team members. We have this feature in which we can see who which team member did what part, whether he added like from this plus sign, or he edited a document, like for example we can see from this edit sign. Yeah, so for this transformation and digital transformation project, we have been using this documents folder to collaborate our work, me and Raman. And yeah, so this is about the documents. Thank you.
Okay, well, I'm one of the content creator. Here I will quickly go through how to create a content and all about library. If you go to the news field, you can add uh, new documents as a content. You can create a new post and you can select whichever you like a template. And if you go inside that, just go inside to the template and where you can find images and you can add your content, add title, and also you can create your name, who is the content creator of this document. And until you get created the whole document, you can save this as a draft, or else if you have done complete your document, then you can directly post into the SharePoint site, then all everyone can visualize your post. And then this is all about how to create a content. And then I will go through you into our library where we have stored a lot of reliable documents. We have categorized these into different field, and if you really interesting about AI technologies, emerging technologies, you can go into that and check a lot of videos and documents. And also one interesting feature here is you can add different type of documents in plus sign in new. You can add Word document, Excel, and you can also add some links, also PowerPoint. This type of document you can add here. And this is all about library. This is a continuous process. We can add, modify based on our preferences and depending on the availability of the document. So I will pass our presentation into our next member.
Hello everyone, I'm Rupinder. I'm also a content creator and I'm going to talk about calendar here. we add calendar in it. The main purpose of this to aware everyone about the upcoming events. Um, as shown here, we meet every Thursday and also know about aware about everything so that everyone can and as the schedule we have practice meeting about that, and then now we have a recording of presentation on August 17 so that everyone be on time. And when we want to create something or add something new, we just click on the that date and then add the title like meeting, and then save it out. So this is add in our calendar date. And so the main purpose of this calendar is to aware everyone for the upcoming tasks so that they can find time. Now I hand over to Ramandeep.
You are
Ramandeep.
muted. You are muted.
Sorry. Hello, everyone, and thank you, Rupinder. Now, I will explain about how we can just work on team task. As Shweta told that in toolbar there is a team task, and I just explain how we work on it. First, we just go to the team task and create new, where we can easily open a page where we can just put the task name, whatever we want to do. Just for example, if someone want to do content creator, then he or she can put content creator. Then just select the status, whatever he or she is at that point. If she want to do, then she can select to do. If she is working on it, then she can select the ongoing. If whenever she is completed, then she can put the completed. At the next step, we just add the name of the team member, such as if Emily working on that content creating, then she can just put on her name so everyone knows what is she's doing. Then just the next step, we just put the dates, on what date he or she will start the task, and at what date he or she will end the task. At the next step, we have a attachment. If she wants any attachments from her PC, she just go to the add attachment and select any folder whatever she want to add, then save it. Then we can easily show these things on our screen, and everyone can see this whatever she want to do and at what date, as well as what is the status of the task. The most interesting feature in this team task, that is the add column, where we can easily go and just select the things whatever we want to add, such as I just like the location. From here, if I want to add location, then we can easily select the location column and go to the next. Then we can easily add the location where we are working from, through which we can easily get in touch where we all are. So this is the interesting feature which I noticed. So this is all about the team task. Now I will hand over it to the Marcus. He will explain my next content of our site.
Okay, thank you. So to build a SharePoint site, we needed a communication plan. So I will open right now, guys. Got it. It's too sorry. Open here. So um, in order to build a SharePoint site, we had to go through a communication plan first. And as you can see, we had communication method, the frequency which we are meeting, our goals in every meeting, and our targets. And we define the project scope is to build a SharePoint site, and we had some assumptions and challenges. So for example, we know that everyone has different schedules, so time constraint, it was a challenge for our team that we had to work around. And then we had goals and objectives to build a functional SharePoint site and record the presentations, simple, and then we assign roles. So here everyone has a role, and your roles tasks as defined as this sheet is showing. And then there's some expected outcomes. For example, a functional SharePoint site is what we expect to achieve. And also, we hope to learn and grow from this experience in building a SharePoint platform. And I hope everyone had fun doing it and had some really learning at this. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you very much.